Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. If you value healthy living and look for ways to improve your overall health, you are in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of one of nature's mightiest nuts, walnuts. Stay tuned to discover why you should include these brain-shaped snacks in your diet. First up, did you know that walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrition? These little guys are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Several studies have shown that consuming walnuts can improve cognitive function and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Next, let's talk about heart health. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that daily consumption of walnuts may substantially reduce the risk of heart disease. Walnuts are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, known to decrease LDL cholesterol and inflammation. These fatty acids and antioxidants help mitigate heart disease risk by enhancing blood vessel function and diminishing plaque accumulation. Walnuts are beneficial for gut health as they are rich in fiber and support the proliferation of beneficial gut bacteria. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is vital for overall well-being and can enhance your immune system. Now, if you're worried about calories, don't be. While walnuts are calorie-dense, they can actually help with weight management. The healthy fats and proteins in walnuts can promote satiety, aiding in reduced calorie consumption. Incorporating a handful of walnuts into your diet can be beneficial for managing your waistline. Additionally, walnuts are abundant in polyphenol, which are compounds recognized for their anti-inflammatory properties that aid in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues that include heart disease and cancer, so keeping it in check is essential. Walnuts support bone health primarily through their mineral content and anti-inflammatory properties. Walnuts are an excellent source of magnesium, essential for bone structure. Magnesium collaborates with calcium to construct and sustain bone density, aiding in the prevention of conditions such as osteoporosis. Additionally, walnuts provide phosphorus, a mineral that forms a component of the bone matrix, necessary for the growth, repair, and maintenance of skeletal health. The omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenol in walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can weaken bones over time, so reducing inflammation may help maintain bone strength and reduce the risk of bone-related diseases. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which protect bone cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Protecting bone cells can help preserve bone density and strength over time. So, what's the best way to incorporate walnuts into your diet? You can eat them raw, toast them for a crunchy snack, add them to salads, or even blend them into your smoothies for an extra nutritional punch. And there you have it, the top health benefits of walnuts. They boost brain function, support heart health, promote a healthy gut, aid in weight management, and fight inflammation. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the Benefits of Channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.